Welcome to the KDP StoryFrame Bedtime Machine, the AI-powered storybook architect for the booming KDP market. This system lets you turn one copy-paste prompt into a complete 10-page children's storybook storyboard. Simple kids' books keep selling because parents buy books that kids understand and request again. The secret formula includes a clear structure, consistent characters, simple page-by-page flow, and a cozy bedtime ending. However, AI kids' books often fall into 5 traps: the random prompt trap, style mismatch, broken story flow, character confusion, and the AI clone risk of generic concepts. Stop fighting with random prompts, which create random results. Structure is the cheat code. The StoryFrame is a specialized system that builds the narrative structure, visual harmony, and story flow into the prompt for you. The StoryFrame architect offers a creative paradigm shift, providing 100% locked character art consistency, a built-in 10-scene narrative arc, and requiring only one copy-paste action for a cohesive KDP-ready concept. The output is a complete storyboard concept, perfectly formatted for KDP vertical 8.5 by 11 layouts. One copy-paste prompt generates the cover page, 8 story pages, and a cozy conclusion page. The workflow is beginner-friendly. Step 1. Choose a theme from 500 options. Step 2. Copy one prompt. Step 3. Let AI generate a complete 10-scene story in minutes, with no writing or design skills needed. This is the perfect tool for every creator, including KDP authors, PLR creators, Etsy sellers, freelancers, parents, and total beginners who can create a book if they can copy-paste. The core deliverable is 500 done-for-you prompts. The KDP StoryFrame Bedtime Machine gives you a library to instantly generate cute, cozy, watercolor-style children's books. Commercial use is included. The big 5 feet evergreen theme packs include 100 prompts each for Little Dinosaur Adventure, Magical Unicorn Princess, Tiny Dragon Bedtime Story, Cute Space Adventure, and Jungle Animal Friends. See unmatched visual harmony and flow with real examples of complete 10-scene concepts generated entirely from single StoryFrame prompts, such as Dino and the Moonbeam Pebble. For a limited time, enjoy launch bonuses. Bonus number 1 is a KDP Kids Book Niche Ideas List. Bonus number 2 is a Kids Book Cover Prompt Pack. And bonus number 3 is a title and subtitle swipe file. This package, with a total value of $529, including the KDP Bedtime Machine Core and commercial use license, is available today for the launch deal price of $17 only, with 0 monthly fees. Stop fighting with random prompts. Start creating with a proven StoryFrame. Get instant access and a 30-day money-back guarantee when you grab the KDP StoryFrame Bedtime Machine today.